So you know that the horizontal asymptote is y equals -3. So you had different rules that told you how to find your horizontal asymptotes, right? So you automatically know that the numerator and the denominator have the same degree. I'm going to go ahead and look at the vertical asymptotes. So the vertical asymptotes, it tells me they are x equals 2 and x equals -3. What do you know about those then? The vertical asymptotes tell us that we are going to have factors x minus 2 and x minus -3 in the denominator. I also know that I have an x-intercept of 1. That tells me that x minus 1 is a factor of the numerator. So let's see what I have so far. I have f of x equals, I have a number out front. I don't know what that number is yet. But I know that I have x minus 1. We decided we had to have a number there. And we said that in the bottom we were going to have x minus 2 and x plus 3, right? So here's another little trick. If you only have one x-intercept, but you need two factors, you can use that x-intercept twice. So if you were going to find the horizontal asymptote of this thing, so go ahead and put an A in this spot right here. What would the horizontal asymptote of this be? A over 1? Okay. But we knew that the horizontal asymptote is y equals -3. Okay. So in this particular problem, we didn't have to use the point that they gave us, but we can use it to check. If we knew we had the point -1, 2, we could check and see if this works. So that means 2 should equal -3, and I need to know if this is actually true. Times -1 minus 1 times -1 minus 1. I guess I could have just rewritten that as a squared. -1 minus 2, -1 plus 3. But I get -3 times -2 times -2, so I get 4. And I get -3 times 2. Is that going to equal 2? So in this case, that point worked as a check. There are other times where you need to use that point to find out what A is.